Welcome to your Associated Skincare Professionals Student Membership. With the ASCP Premium Student Membership, you're getting the head start you need to be a successful student and prepare for your future in aesthetics. When you log into your student homepage, you'll be greeted with a wealth of resources, plus an exciting chance to win a $5,000 scholarship for both you and your school. Remember, a new winner is chosen every 3 months, so make sure you enter quarterly. Whether you're a student or a professional, ASCP members receive exceptional liability insurance designed specifically for the needs of estheticians. In addition, you'll have access to valuable education on the latest trends in skincare, plus career support with all the tools and resources you need to become a successful esthetician. First, let's talk about insurance. ASCP offers 3 types of coverage that are essential for any esthetician, beginning with professional liability. This covers you if a client is injured during a service you've performed. Next, product liability. This protects you if a client has a reaction to a product you've used on them or sold to them for at-home use. And finally, general liability. This covers slip and fall accidents or damage to a client's property. As a student, this coverage applies to all school-related activities. And when you become a licensed esthetician, you'll continue to enjoy the same coverage with your ASCP professional membership. Now that we've covered insurance, let's talk about staying informed and up to date. Skincare is always evolving, and you'll want to stay ahead of the curve. That's why your ASCP membership gives you access to the award-winning ASCP Skin Deep magazine. The digital edition is packed with everything from ingredient insights to new modalities in the field. You'll also have access to our on-demand video library, featuring expert-led training on techniques, treatment protocols, and more, giving you the tools you need to stay on top of your game. For a weekly dose of updates, tune into our Esty Talk podcast. We cover everything from ingredients and the science of the skin to business and beauty diversity. Speaking of staying informed, let's explore a tool that will help you improve your treatments and results. ASCP SkinPro is a resource that will elevate your treatment plans and improve your client results. Designed to aid in skin analysis by putting the essential knowledge of contraindications for common skin-related conditions and ingredients at your fingertips, ASCP SkinPro makes it easy for you to get a second opinion, included for free exclusively to ASCP members. Ready for your career journey? ASCP connects you with tools and resources to set you up for success. Start by exploring ASCP's career toolkits, which can guide you through choosing your path and helping you find your dream career. Simply take a short quiz to determine whether you're best suited for employee success or independent business ownership. Then dive into the success toolkits for insights, articles, videos, and podcasts tailored to your path. The Employee Success Toolkit is stocked with articles, videos, and activities to help you in the job hunt. Head over to the ASCP Career Center, where you'll find resume tips, job search tools, interview prep, and more. The compensation calculator helps you understand different compensation packages in the aesthetics industry and maximize their potential to reach your compensation goals. The Business Startup Toolkit provides the resources you need for business owner success. The Startup Cost Calculator and the Business Revenue Calculator will help you determine the cost and potential to owning your own skincare business. ASCP's Career Toolkit puts you in the driver's seat. Take control of your career and let your passion for aesthetics guide you. While you're planning your career, it's also important to establish your online presence. Head over to ASCP's Business Building Resources to create your very own portfolio website. Choose a template, showcase your training accomplishments, and even add client testimonials. And when you are ready to transition to a professional career, you can upgrade to your free professional website along with additional marketing bundles and treatment forms we've curated just for you. And it doesn't stop there. Save on everything from treatment room supplies to cell phone service to self-care classes with our exclusive discount partnerships. You can take advantage of these discounts right now while you're still in school. You'll have access to PocketSuite, a free ASCP exclusive online scheduling app. With PocketSuite, you can easily manage your client's schedule, send texts and emails, securely store HIPAA-compliant intake forms, process credit card payments, and set automatic appointment reminders. This resource is available to you once you're licensed and become a professional member with ASCP. Curious what ASCP professional membership and insurance costs? Well, it's especially good news for our student members. You'll get all the benefits we talked about and so much more at a $60 discount your first year. Professional membership is normally $23 a month or $259 a year, but with your ASCP Premium Student Membership, you'll pay just $17 a month or $199 for the year. ASCP is thrilled to be your partner in this exciting journey. Now's the time to dive into your resources and elevate your education. If you have any questions about your student membership, call or email our membership department anytime. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for your time and good luck in school.